Hello everybody, today we make bucatini alla matriciana with the guanciale. For the ingredient we got it, guanciale, plum, tomato mutti, I like it so delicious and sweet, flake hot pepper, my oil baby, pecorino cheese. For the pasta we got a bucatini, and for the wine, white wine, chardonnay. Okay, now we gotta start the core the guanciale. E core this one. You want more big, you can do more big. Look how so beautiful this guanciale. Now we gotta start to do the guanciale fry. I put the gas on with the pots over here. But you don't got a guanciale, you can use pancetta or bacon. Now we gotta use a little oil. And the guanciale, when we start to fry this guanciale saute, the flavor, you got everything on the guanciale. You got the fat, and you got already salt and black pepper. Cause this it's dry guanciale. And look at this. When I was in Italy, we was make this, and you hang on my seal the house. Cause over there, we no got no put outside this and that. With the fire we make, the guanciale dry really good. The same thing when we do the prosciutto. We hang aperta. He called aperta. I remember when he was in the earthquake, we saw the prosciutto, he was go like this, boom, boom, boom. Okay, now the oil started to be a little hot. And we put the guanciale. You see, already started do nice zzz. The oil started to be hot, and we want to saute the guanciale really, really good. Okay, now you can see the guanciale, the fat is starting to be shine like a glass, because the fat is starting to melt at the guanciale. But make sure the gas do not be too high, because you burn. You gotta make the fat, the melt everything. You see now? You got a lot of more fat they come out. Look how beautiful looking now. And this is the flavor. You see, everybody asks me, what's a guanciale? The guanciale is this. The big nice guanciale. My guanciale it's not too big, but I'll push that guanciale coming up. Okay, it's the big guanciale. This. It look nice. Look. And now already it's a time for the wine. Okay, you know one burn the guanciale. Look, all the fat it come out already. But see you want more crispy. After you want to take it out, it's okay. Make it more crispy, you take it out. Now it's a time to put the wine. The guanciale, when you put the wine, it's the good one. The guanciale started to jump like this. And look now, you go, the guanciale. And look, oh, now come the smell. Look how beautiful. Now we've evaporated the wine. Okay, now before I put the sauce, I want to put my oil baby, the flake hot pepper. I wanted the guanciale to take the taste of the pepper. Oil baby. Okay, now gets everything done, we got the tomato. And look how beautiful this plum tomato. Now we make a nice turn on the plum tomato, like this. Now this, when it starts to boil, the tomato is starting to break everything. It not take too long. Look, already it's all broken down. Okay, now we cook the pasta. The sauce already, it's about 10 minutes. Okay, you gotta cook the sauce. It's come really good. More cook, a little bit extra, it come out really good. Now we cook the pasta. Now when you cook the pasta, everybody say, why my pasta stick? Do like this. All the way around, like that. And make sure to cook with a lot of water. It's salt, I salty already. Now we leave it go down a little bit like that before we start to turn everything. Okay, now the pasta is done. Okay, I like al dente. Okay, after we gotta cook a little bit more on the sauce. And let's drain the pasta. Bucatini. Okay, and let's put right on the sauce. Look at this, beautiful. And now we make nice turn. I want to leave it stay a couple of more minutes inside with the sauce. Okay, give a really good taste like that. Look how beautiful. Oh, the smell of the guanciale. You take this sauce like this, you put right on the top like that. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. And now it's time to eat. Okay, now let's test. Oh, look how beautiful, look. Hey, I got a little basil over here. The basil is so good. A little pecorino cheese. Oh, look at that, look at this, look at this. Really good. Now, let's test. Boy, this Bucatini. Look at that. This is a nice Bucatini alla standing up, al dente. Delicious. Really good. I like Bucatini. Salute e cincine di vibare, the guanciale with the Bucatini and the sauce. It's a delish. And don't forget, cincine e salute everybody. Oh, I feel so good tonight with this Bucatini. Salute e cincin. Salute amatriciana. A salute a tutte quante. Oh, thank you. Ooh, I gotta start to jump around for that.